This is a CUT-914 wheeled excavator. We are getting ready to head out for the job now. First, let's turn on the sound and the car lights. Before starting operations, we first lower the outriggers and the front blade. Okay, now I can start working. Now, let us appreciate the process of the work. When we finish the task and prepare to return, remember to retract the outriggers and the front blade first. Just back the car into the parking spot, turn off all the lights and sound, and then we can clock out.